Greetings. In this one, let's talk about the derivative of x to the sine x power. So we can rewrite this as something as an exponential function e. So any such expression via this rule we can recall can be written as e to the exponent, which is sine x, times natural logarithm of the base, which is x here. So it's equivalent to take the derivative of this. And taking the derivative of e to x is just rewriting the same thing. But of course, if that x is some function that has to further be derivated, we also need to use the chain rule. So that would mean we rewrite once again the same thing. So e to sine x ln x and multiply by the derivative of the exponent. That's how you take the derivative of an exponential function in any case. So there will be times the derivative of x ln x. And of course, we can recall that in the first step, we rewrote this initial expression as equivalent to this, but now we see we still rewrite it once again, so we can actually say the initial expression itself. We can say this is actually x to sine x, but we have to multiply by the derivative of the exponent that we gained via rewriting the expression in the first place. So what you can do is you can remember to rewrite the same thing and then multiply by the derivative of the exponent times ln of the base, or always rewrite it with this middle step and realize where it comes from, sort of first noting this identity, and then you might just go back to this expression and multiply by the derivative of this expression. So let's see how that works. So e to sine x times ln x, or we can write it back to the initial expression, which would be x to sine x. And now it's product rule, so product rule means derivative of this times this unchanged plus this unchanged times derivative of this. So that will be cosine x, derivative of sine, times ln x unchanged plus sine x unchanged this time, times derivative of ln x is 1 over x. So now let's put together the results. We already went back to x to sine x notation here. And then we have cosine x ln x plus, we can write this as sine x over x like this in a shorter notation. So here is the result.